Well, talk about the board certification, because that seems to be one of the things you hear people talk about. Make sure people are board certified. For a plastic surgeon, what does board certification mean differently than someone who's a plastic surgeon or has a shingle out who isn't board certified? Specifically, what is the difference?
Well, there's the American Board of Medical Specialties, and they recognize a certain number of boards. And the American Board of Plastic Surgery is one of them, along with general surgery or internal medicine. And what that means is that they have created a criteria for the number of years of training that you need to have in plastic surgery, a minimum number of cases that you need to perform in order to be competent, and then as well as complete an oral and written examination where they evaluate your work when you've been in practice to ensure that you're competent and safe.
Mm-hmm. And likewise now, they have the maintenance of certification. We have to maintain our certification every so many, 8, 9, 10, whatever it is, 5, 10 years. So that's really important, and that's really what makes a difference between someone who's board certified and not board certified. So that should be looked at by all our listeners when they're going to pick someone.
I agree.
Yeah.
I like, one more thing I'd like to mention is that, when people advertise that you need to find a board certified plastic surgeon, the next thing that physicians do that want to try to subvert the system and perform cosmetic surgery is to create a board, unrecognized board. And so they'll create a board of cosmetic surgery, a board of facial plastic surgery. They all exist, but none of them are recognized. And so it's important to understand the differences and the nuances when you're a patient trying to find a doctor.
When I was going through the sports medicine, when sports medicine was just becoming a certificate of adequate qualification by the American Specialty Board, there was all kinds of boards that popped up. The American Medical Board of Sports Medicine, Inc.
Yeah, that's right.
People didn't know. Doctors did. They said, "Well, do I need to be on this board?" And then it turned out once they flushed out, they said there were somebody taking your $1,000 and giving you a plaque that says
Board certified.
Board certified.
That's right.
Wow. Well, now,